चालू है।
Assalamualaikum dear friends. You can see this is my elder brother. He is cutting cloths and I want to tell you and I want to inform you that this is our karkhana. So you can see this is my elder brother. How he is cutting cloths you can see. Wow, amazing, wonderful. Dear friends,
वंडरफुल।
दो आदमी आज रख के गए।
कौन सा यही है ना?
हाँ, दो आदमी थे।
हाँ, वो कैमरा मतलब जो बोला है।
Look at this. This is my कारीगर। Name नफीस अख्तर अंसारी। He was from small border. Look my cute baby. Here's my company boss. Small border. मौलाना परवेज हाशमी।
dear friend, he is my elder brother. Name of that my respected brother Naseem Akhtar, and that my brother he is cutting clothes. Name of that is Javed Akhtar, and my small brother, older brother, name of that is Nafis Akhtar. As you can see that he is using mobile. Okay, thank you dear friends, shukriya. And my father there was standing. Okay, thanks.